Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, device passcode, account credentials, and a current OS. Once done, update and reboot if prompted so settings behave predictably. Next, open settings and go straight to screen time on iOS or digital well-being and parental controls on Android. Make sure you're signed into the correct account because the controls apply to that profile. This step prevents permission mismatches and ensures you can change purchase controls without unexpected authentication prompts. You now locate purchase settings. On iOS, tap iTunes and App Store purchases, then in-app purchases. On Android, open Google Play, then Settings and Require Authentication. Turn the in-app purchases toggle to off or require authentication for every purchase so nothing goes through without your approval. Once done, set age or content limits if available to block future downloads that contain buys. This layered approach stops both direct buys and hidden microtransactions by enforcing an approval. Finish by verifying the change. Try initiating a small in-app purchase or free download and confirm you're prompted or blocked. If settings didn't apply, sign out of the account, restart the device, and recheck. Caches or active sessions can delay enforcement. Make sure family or managed accounts aren't overriding your settings in parental controls or Google Family Link. If problems persist, reevaluate which account is primary and reset screen time, or Play Store preferences so controls reinitialize correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.